everyone, welcome to our free masterclass wherein I'll be teaching you how are you going to earn through digital products using Canva. Yes, you heard that right. Free po ito, wala ka pong babayaran. So all you have to do is watch, listen, and understand so that you will also learn paano siya gawin. Because I know you have seen my social media accounts. Maybe nakita mo ko sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Facebook, and you know that I am a digital product seller using Canva and I'm really earning, a huge amount in selling digital products. And of course, you're also interested in how you're going to do that one for free. And i-share ko po siya sa inyo. And before we go on to this discussion kung paano siya gawin, I want to say congrats to you. Congratulations po, because the reason that you are here right now, it means that you're very willing to learn. You really allocate your time, you put an effort to follow the instruction so that you could join the free masterclass. Ayan na. So you follow the instruction. And kung alam niyo lang po, di ba, ang first step po talaga para po ikaw ay kumita is marunong kang mag-follow ng instructions, marunong kang makinig at i-guide ka. Meaning po, ano yung sasabihin na ito yung gagawin mo, nagagawa mo siya. Meaning, meron kang ability or let's say, may chance na ikaw po talaga ay kikita dito. Kaya congratulations for that one. Yay! Diba? Alright. But bago po natin i-discuss talaga yung laman, of course, sino ba naman ako? And why I'm discussing this one to you, am I capable to teach you the step-by-step guide kung paano ba kumita using Canva? Sino ba ako? Alright? Well, I am Kim. Oh, alam ko. Kim Creatives. That's Kim. Miss Kim, diba? Yung usual tawag sa akin. Well, I am Kim and I'm glad to know you and I'm glad that pumunta ka dito sa free masterclass natin. So, bago po ako nagsimula ng digital product selling, ito po ako. No? Hoy, baka isipin nyo, hindi ako yan. Iba ba yung mukha? Oh, yeah, totally different, diba? Kasi, short hair na po ako ngayon. Hindi updated yung picture. And my hair, that one is, iba yung kulay. Medyo girly po ako, no? On that one. Pero nasa bahay kasi ako ngayon. No? Big shirt, very comfortable clothes. Ayan. But that's me, ha? That's real, not fake. Ayan, that's real. Anyways, let's continue. Okay. So, ako po, bago po ako maging digital product seller, I am a licensed electronics engineer. So, I'm working as an engineer in a corporate world for 4 years already. Okay, 4 years po. So, last year, 2023, I became a breadwinner because of a certain family issue. We encountered, a hard phase in our family wherein I have to shoulder everything, all the expenses and needs sa household namin, for my family, even yung tuition fee ng kapatid ko, ako po ang nagbabayad or I'm the one who became responsible on paying that one. Okay? And I was working as engineer at that time. Imagine niyo, I'm working for 12-hour shift. Ganun po yung working scenario ko, 12-hour shift. And the environment that I'm working, let's say, hindi siya perfect. Wala naman atang perfect. I mean, it's really not healthy. I make friends naman no, on the company that I'm working with, but the management, how they do the system, it's really not healthy and it's not something that I could say that very nice yung working environment. So it's kind of toxic environment. And aside from that one, okay, ganda pakinggan ng engineer Kim. Oh, wow. People call me engineer, Miss Kim, ganon. But they don't know na yung salary po ng engineer, especially if you're starting, hindi po masyadong malaki. Okay? Kung imagine niyo to kung ikaw po ay fresh grad at pumasok ka sa isang company, ang usual offer sa'yo is 15,000 or more. Swerte na po pag nag-20K. Very rare, no? And of course, a fresh grad, tatanggapin mo yun, diba? As a beginner talaga, hindi po malaki yung sweldo sa engineer unless kung ikaw po ay nag-work ng medyo matagal na, naging supervisor na, naging manager na, yeah, the compensation will become 50,000. Pag medyo malaki latagal yung position, di ba, malaki greater than that one. And you could also earn a lot if you go abroad, di ba? But I told you naman, last year, 2023, I became a breadwinner. The compensation o yung salary ko po ay hindi malaki. And I need more money ASAP, as soon as possible. Given that I'm the one who's there relying, parang ako yung source of money on the household. So, hindi siya enough. So, also, wala pa po akong anak, wala pa rin po akong asawa, but I'm already a breadwinner. In a young age, of course, we really want to enjoy, diba? Kaya nga, hindi nag-asawa para mag-enjoy. But Alam naman natin na hindi po tayo agad-agad makakapag-travel, makapupunta sa ibang lugar unless we have the money. Lahat ng galaw natin nowadays requires money. And since, limited lang yung money natin, mababa yung sweldo, you cannot do anything that you wanted. Very limited lang talaga. So it came up that type of life that I have, hindi po talaga ako masaya. Nakasulat yun, unhappy. So hindi siya something that I'm really happy about my life, given my problem is kailangan ko po ng pera. Okay? Direct to the point, I really need extra income. I really need extra money so that I could survive for my family and also, yung gusto ko talagang mag-enjoy but I cannot do that one because I have financial issue. Nakakalungkot na. But of course, yan, something that I'm really proud about myself, hindi po ako nagbubuhat ng sarili kong bangko ha. It's something that I want everybody to be inspired about or be motivated about is that I'm a risk taker, okay? So although I'm engineer, I don't care kung ano pa yung other side hustle na gagawin ko as long as I could earn extra income. Kahit malayo yun sa profession ko, no? I would really do that one because I really want to change my life situation that time. Okay, so I tried being an English second language teacher and teaching foreigners, Chinese, Japanese, even mga kids na mga foreigners. My God, during my rest days and my free time, I have to do that one to earn extra income. And alam niyo man, 12-hour shift ang job ko. So I don't have much time. So my remaining time for resting and, for my rest days, I have to allocate and earning more through teaching English to foreigners. I set aside my health and then it came to the point that I cannot teach anymore kasi medyo nag-issue na lamunan ko and the doctor advised me to stop. And of course, instead of earning, ang nangyari, diba, nakagastos pa dahil nagkasakit. But of course, we won't stop on that one. I invested also in networking, invested 5 figures. Unfortunately, hindi bumalik yung pera na networking. Anyways, also did freelancing. But the scenario that I have is, ako pa yung nag-work 12-hour shift. So, I know that freelancing could really make you earn a lot if you take it seriously, if you really have much time to do that one. But medyo limited lang talaga yung time ko given that I have a 12-hour shift job. And in finding client and freelancing, it's kind of not that easy to do, diba? But I can assure naman na you could really earn freelancing offering services. But it's really not something that I can do on that current situation that I'm in that time. The last one that I've tried is selling digital products which I just have discovered online. Due to curiosity, eagerness ko talaga na kumita, I tried it and yay! Ayan, it really changed my entire situation or life when I started digital product selling using Canva. And of course, I want to share to you this journey that I did, which I know you can also do the same thing. Kasi nga nagawa ko, why not hindi ikaw? That's why I'm sharing that to you in this free video webinar on how you're going to do that one. Okay, diba? Ang ganda. Anyways, if you're still questioning, asking, is this legit? I'm gonna give you a scenario. Now, I know I'm gonna say yes, this is legit, but I'll give you a scenario that's gonna be supporting you on this, in this question that you have right now. The scenario will answer that one. Okay, I'm a breadwinner. I cannot give up my job, diba? Kung breadwinner ka. If you're the source of income in your family, bakit i-give up mo yung trabaho mo? Kung ikaw ang breadwinner. The reason that I was able to resign in my job as engineer is because I already earn more in my digital product business than my corporate job. I'm not someone who could okay, mag-give up ako kasi kumikita ko this month. Of course, I really assist first, decide very well. It's a big decision for me to do. And I really know that this is really something that I could really earn more in my corporate job, which I work for 12-hour shift, is very low. Why would I have to focus on that one? Why am I going to give my 12 hours in that one? If even doing the side hustle would really make me earn a lot through digital product selling. So as you can see on the photo that we have here, oh, di ba? Ang saya ng smile ko. Hindi ko masyadong pinapakita kasi baka malaman ng boss ko or superior ka na sobrang saya ko. But I'm really happy on that day. That's my photo on the last day being employed. Okay, so I'm very happy on that time. And this is a scenario where I could say this is legit because nag-resign na po ako sa trabaho ko to do this one. Okay, and the reason I love digital product selling is, I was able to resign, meaning my 12-hour shift, which is my 12 hours, which I allocated in working in a corporate world as an engineer, hindi ko na siya ginagawa, so I have the extra 12 hours in a day. It gave me more free time for myself, for my loved ones, and for my family. Aside from the one when you're selling digital products, passive business po siya. Once you set up your online shop, automated po, pagising mo sa umaga, posible po na magkakaroon ka ng notification that you already have a sale on that one. Yes, diba? And it's very exciting to wake up waking up with a sale because you set up your business automated, and that's how you're gonna do when you're selling digital products. That's why it's called passive business. And since I have a lot of free time, I can do other businesses as well. Okay, so this is not my only source of income. I also dive into other businesses, even do offering services as well, coaching, so on and so forth, because I really have a lot of free time. Because yeah, digital product selling, once you set up your business automated na siya, you can do it like you can earn passively. Ayan. And I could also earn 6 figures after consistent hard work. Inaral ko yung proseso. And how to do one, kumikita ka ng 6 figures consistently. Yan. Right? So as you can see, here's the result. Alam ko naman nakakita yung social media no ko na. Ayan. But I'm gonna like summarize it with this one. Okay. So I was able to do house renovations, property buying, it's my parents. Buying property is I can spoil my family and myself. Yeah, okay. Something that I cannot do when I was working as engineer kasi diba limited lang yung money natin. Yeah, as you can see, I can even travel not just locally but abroad. Yeah. Okay, that's a really nice feeling, no? To look back on the things that was happening from last year and then okay. Kahit ngayon, diba, I really feel amazed on the entire change in my life when I started digital product selling. And yeah, the biggest flex that I could say is that I really have a lot of time freedom after I resigned from my job as an engineer before. Yeah. Okay. So another proof that I could say that I'm really earning is this is a record in the last 3 months. This is my consistent 6-figure sales in let's say Rocket.ph. So Rocket.ph kasi meron analytics and you can record your sale on the entire certain month that you're doing that one. So for that month, I was able to earn 500K, yeah, 500K, no, for 3 months span. Ayan. Okay. So it's a total of 1.4 million earnings from December 2023 to August 2024. And if you're still wondering if this is legit, I was able to travel abroad kahit wala na akong trabaho. Imagine, wala po akong trabaho. Sinabi ko doon, I'm just doing my business. And I show them the transparent records that I have, my earnings, my bank transactions, bank certificate, and the immigration officer allowed me. Why I'm saying that it's like a criteria for me to say that what I'm doing right now is legit. Kasi diba, yung immigration officer or IO talaga, when you want to travel abroad, they're very careful and they very, very talaga sila. Mabusisi po sila. Tini-check talaga nila considering that you could really travel, hindi ka po mag-work abroad, mag-PNP, diba? So they have to check on your records, so on and so forth. But all the supporting details that I provide them, they allowed me to travel because they know that I'm really earning from the business that I'm doing right now. Ayan, okay? So another proof is why I'm the one talking this one, why I'm in front of you explaining this one. Another proof to show that I'm really selling digital products is, yeah, I'm one of the top sellers in Rocket.ph. So from month of May, June, July, and currently in August, okay, we became a top seller. So it means I'm really selling. So you can also check my Rocket.ph shop. There's my link here. You can check that one if you're really interested to know. Okay. All right. So if you think this business works only for me, Sima, so yun lang naman yung nag-work, baka hindi yan mag-work sa amin. So this business not just work to me, but also to the people inside the community. It's 100% legit. So here are some testimonies that other people are also earning, hindi lang po ako, kundi iba lang tao. You can post it, diba? You can post it and check and read that one. So it means po, hindi lang po ako ang kumikita here. Other people are also earning. It means, what does it mean? It's also possible that you can earn from this one. Okay, after you learn this webinar, after you learn from this masterclass, I know that you can start it and nothing is impossible. You can also earn same as these people who's earning from this platform. Ayan. Ay, bumalik. Okay, so bakit ko po ba ginawa tong free webinar na to? So maybe you're curious, no? Baka may bayad yan, diba? Ba't mo po ito ginawa? Okay, this is free. Okay, wala ka pong babayaran. I-discuss ko po yung step-by-step guide, but you don't need to pay anything. Okay? And The reason that I have created this free webinar is based on the experience that I have. I've been teaching a lot of people. I've been engaging with people in social media. Many people share the same story with me. Hindi po sila engineer na nag-work sa taxi. What I'm trying to say here is the commonality is everyone needs extra income. Oh, nanonood ka nito. I know. You also face the same problem. That's why you landed in this video webinar or this masterclass. You also want to earn extra income. And I really understand the feeling because ganun din po yung nangyari sa akin before I started digital product selling. And of course, I want to share to you so that you can get an idea kung paano siya simulan. Diba? Get you an idea na pwede mo rin po siyang gawin gaya ng ginagawa ko right now. Possible po na pwede ka rin kumita gaya ko as long as you watch this free video webinar. And why I'm helping people, aside from that one, is I'm very blessed on this platform that I'm doing right now. And of course, I want to return that one by helping you. Okay? Wala po itong ano ha. Baka ibig sabihin, ay, nagbabait-bait. No. The thing here is I really want to provide value to you because if you're in the current situation right now, nasa tingin mo, parang wala kang pag-asa, di ba nawawalan ka ng pag-asa, paano bang gagawin ko? Especially if it's really about financial or money, we became desperate. And I don't want other people to fool you na baka mag-networking ka rin, or so on and so forth. That's why I'm explaining to you transparently, the step-by-step guide, so you will understand and get an idea na pwede ko pala itong gawin ng libre. And this masterclass will teach you that one. Okay? Kung ikaw naman ay gusto magsimula ng digital product selling, I want you to watch this masterclass. It's very important na maintindihan mo yung proseso. Because some started digital product selling, hindi nila alam yung tamang proseso. They end up not earning. They end up not knowing how to do it. So walang napala. This masterclass will discuss to you ano ba yung need mong gagawin step by step so you will understand and you will get direction in how you're going to do that. So what I can say is, yeah, I'm very happy to share this one to you, and I'm very glad that this masterclass could help people. And I hope you could utilize this one because you really invested your time in watching this one. Excited na ba? Okay, I know you are. And I'm also excited to share this one to you as well. Okay? But if you think this is an easy money na kinabukasan kita ko after ko ma-watch yung webinar na to, after kong mabasa lahat, magawa lahat, i-earn ako agad-agad. This is not for you because this is not an easy money. Kung tingin mo easy money siya, no? Just stop right now, leave, and huwag mo pong ubusin yung oras mo dito at huwag mong aksayahin yung oras mo sa panonood mo kung sa tingin mo easy money to kasi hindi po to easy money. Okay? If you're not dedicated to learn, hindi po to para sa inyo. If you really complain alat, alam ko naman na nagreklamo tayo na. But, yung iba kasi nagreklamo but they still gonna do it. It's okay. But if you're nagreklamo lang, no? Excuse me, at hindi na gagawin, huwag po, hindi po to para sa inyo. Okay? And ito yung napapansin ko, we really love the results, but hindi natin gustong gawin ang proseso. At diba, ang sarap isipin na, yung mga result ni Miss Kim mangyayari sa akin. But hindi mo gustong gawin yung proseso, hindi po ito para sa inyo. Okay, klaro ba? So, you can leave right now. Don't waste your time for this one. But, kung ikaw po ay may mindset na nothing comes easy, you need to work for it. You know naman na in this life, nothing comes easy. You really need to work hard in that one to achieve something. If meron kang ganung mindset, this is for you. Okay? Kasi pag easy man yan, scam po yan. Okay? Gets niyo yung point ko, no? Okay? And if you know, or na alam mo na, yung little inconvenience is hindi siya yung magpapa-give up sa'yo to do new things. Yes. Kasi alam mo naman, marami na ako napagdaanan. Hindi ko lang na-gets tong Canva na to, mag-give up na ako. Yeah? You know what I mean, right? You're not the type of person na mag-give up because of the little inconvenience. Okay? And very important is you're really eager to learn the process so you can earn. Learn the process, always kong sinasabi yun because that is very important so that you can earn from this business or this platform. Ayan. Okay? So now let's gonna start our free masterclass on how to earn in digital product selling using Canva kahit po ikaw ay complete beginner. Gagawin tang klaro ha? Itong masterclass na to ay tuturuan ka po kung paano magsimula ng digital product selling using Canva for free, wala ka pong babayaran na kaya mo pong gawin even if you are a complete beginner. Okay? Let's now start!